This is the lungs guy. You get the lungs thing, the lungs. Yeah, the lungs. I think this is a brain. Brain? Oh no. Brain is a this, and this is a brain. That not lungs, and that's a straight waffle. Yeah, I don't know that. This thing, I think for I don't know. Think gore gore eyes. Thanks, bro. Thanks for adding that. Gore eyes. Just I added for gore eyes. Yeah, I'm going to put that in my comment. Yeah, so too slow, man. You even me. Yeah, look like a dot. Oh my god. Oh my god. It coming out. So that teeth will be smaller, yeah? Because our teeth are smaller. And this is the straights for the body for straights. This one, this one. Straights. And this is the heart. So if just yeah, this is the lungs, I think. No, this is the lungs. Okay. This is the eyes. So put in only put one because the teeth can't fit two. If fit two, the teeth just broken, just easily broke that in the whole world. And that's tutorial. Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.